Hi guys, it's Jason, and in this video we'll be checking out how much does the YouTube channel While We Roam make. But before we do that, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I release daily videos on how much the top YouTube channels are making. Before we check out how much they are actually making, let's check out some statistics. So far they have uploaded 222 videos and have a massive subscriber count of 259,000. And their video views so far is 22,801,212, and this channel was created back in July 17, 2015. And to get an idea of their estimated earnings, we'll be using the Social Blade YouTube Money Calculator, and we'll be estimating that their estimated CPM is $6. And by the way, the CPM stands for cost per 1,000 views, and this is the amount of money a YouTube channel get paid for every 1,000 views a video get. But the CPM tends to fluctuate as it all depends on the country that the video is being watched in, and also if the viewer actually ends up clicking on an ad. But with a CPM of $6 and their daily view count of 28,500, they'll be earning $171 per day. But this is before YouTube takes their cut of 45%, which would leave them with $94 per day, and for the month that would be $2,821, and for the year $33,858.